In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a forced copy link for Google Slides or Docs. First things first, let's ensure you're signed into your Google account. This step is essential because without it, you won't have access to your documents and we won't be able to proceed. Assuming you're signed in, head over to the Google Slides homepage. Once you're there, you'll see several options for starting a new presentation. You can choose to create a blank presentation, or if you're looking to jumpstart your project, feel free to select a template. For today's lesson, we're going to stick with a template presentation for simplicity's sake, as it will provide a straightforward way to demonstrate our process. Once your template presentation is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that button. This is a crucial step because it sets the stage for generating the link that will become our forced copy link. Clicking Share will bring up a dialog box, and within this box is a button that reads Copy Link. Click this button to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Now you've got the shareable link, but hold on, we're not quite finished yet. Next, open a new browser tab or even a text editor if you prefer, and paste the link you've just copied. This step allows us to make the necessary modification to create the forced copy link. Here's the key part, and it's important to get this right. Take a close look at the end of the URL you've just pasted. Notice it ends with the word edit. To convert this link into a forced copy link, you'll need to replace the word edit with copy. It's a simple change, but it makes all the difference. After this substitution, your updated link will automatically prompt any user who clicks on it to make their own copy of the file. This means your original version will remain untouched and safely intact, allowing you to share your document without any worries. It's a smart and efficient method that not only keeps your original work safe, but also allows others the freedom to customize their own versions without impacting yours. And there you have it. This quick and effective method is a fantastic way to keep your documents secure while still being able to share them widely. It's a handy trick that helps you maintain control over your work and minimizes the risk of unintended changes to your files. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tip enhances the way you manage and share your Google Slides and Docs. Happy sharing, and see you next time.